Braden, it was a nice rainy weekend. Is it going to keep being clear and with the weather?
Yeah, it looks like we're going to have great weather this afternoon and for much of the remainder of the week. We look at a live view from atop the Plaza Tower in downtown Tyler, and it looks fantastic out there. We are seeing some smoke in the distance, so there could be a fire out there. Not sure what's going on there, but as far as the sky goes, we are mainly clear so far for this late morning. It's 74 degrees right now, dew point at 51, so not too humid out there either. And we look at temperatures across the state right now, looks pretty good for much of the state of Texas. We are all in the 70s, still some 60s remaining in the western and northwestern parts of the state this morning. Looking at the rain chances as we go forward the next few days, it does appear that we'll be dry to start off our week, but then we'll bring a 20% coverage of rain back into the forecast by Wednesday, and then we'll remain dry for Thursday, Friday, and Saturday, and then it looks like about a 30% coverage of rain will return on Sunday. But we're not expecting anything like we saw last week where we got multiple inches of rain across much of the area. Here's a look at our three main observation sites in Tyler, Longview, and in Lufkin. Some pretty impressive rainfall totals. Tyler sitting at nearly 3¼ inches of rainfall. That's about 2 inches above normal so far for the month of November. Longview has picked up about 1.5 inches. They are above average as well, about 1/3 of an inch above average. And then the big winner as far as rainfall goes has been Lufkin, nearly 5 inches through the first 11 days of the month of November. This is quite the change from what we saw in October when we were just about completely at 0 inches for the entire month of October for much of the area. So all of us sitting above average so far for rainfall totals, which is something that we really like to see as we were dry for so long. Maybe we can finally get rid of that drought. And high temperatures will be climbing into the upper 70s by Wednesday, and then we'll drop things down to pretty close to average by Thursday and Friday. And then as we go into the weekend, we will warm things up once again by Saturday and Sunday, approaching 80 degrees. Now out in the tropics, we are tracking an area of disturbed weather here just off the coast of Central America, and this area has about a 40% chance of developing over the next 7 days, and most models kind of take whatever becomes of this to the north, so that could put places like Cuba and potentially even Florida in play for some impacts from a tropical system. We will be okay here in the western Gulf of Mexico, but certainly this seems like the theme this season. We get something going on down here in the Caribbean, and then it tends to move northward and affect the eastern portion of the Gulf of Mexico. So we'll keep a close eye on that going forward. Looking at our day planner, we expect mostly sunny skies as we go through the afternoon. About 76 is expected for our high temperature this afternoon. So pretty good afternoon here across East Texas. Overnight tonight, it'll be pretty cool. 53 degrees, mostly clear, and again, a cool start to your day on Tuesday. Looking at that 7-day forecast, we keep the beautiful weather with us for much of the week, maybe just some isolated showers on Wednesday and then again on Sunday. And then looking at deep East Texas, we're talking about much of the same with those cool mornings and then rising our temperatures into the 70s to near 80 during the afternoon. For more information, visit us on our website. That is ketk.com.